Maldives is a beautiful archipelago country in the Indian Ocean that is famous around the world for its crystal-clear blue waters and luxurious villas built on the sea. These villas are built above the sea, offering tourists an unparalleled experience of comfort, tranquility, and luxury. These sea villas in Maldives are considered to be the epitome of modern lifestyle, specially designed for honeymooning couples and lovers of luxury experiences. This resort in Maldives was opened in the year 2012. This resort is famous worldwide for its excellent services. 32 villas have been built on this resort, and each villa has a swimming pool facility. There are a total of 61 rooms and 5 restaurants in these villas. The most notable feature of this resort is the Royal Villa here, which has the honor of being the second largest overwater villa in the world. It has 3 rooms. Several pools and jacuzzis are also built. A night's rent here is at least $900. Velasaru Maldives Resort. It's a very quiet location on a small island that you can easily reach by speedboat after landing at the airport. The resort has 45 water villas of very large sizes, making it the perfect location for those who want an open space. Each room in this villa has coffee machine and home theater facilities that make it feel like a 4-star hotel. Perfect for newly wedded couples to celebrate their honeymoon. Here, the minimum rent per night is $962. Spending time at this 5-star resort on the island will become a beautiful memory for you. The resort consists of 33 water villas with a total of 36 rooms. These villas are designed like a fish hunt, be it a boat. Although there is only one restaurant at this resort, it serves a variety of dishes. Apart from this, the resort is also equipped with diving and snorkeling facilities. The minimum nightly rent of this resort is $977. The resort ranks very high in terms of customer service and food dishes. The resort is perfect for both families and couples alike. The resort has 48 villas with a total of 84 rooms. Each villa has its own swimming pool and a deck with a beautiful view of the sea. The resort offers a variety of recreational activities including jet skiing, windsurfing, and scuba diving. An overnight stay at the resort has a minimum rent of $985. Located on a small private island south of the capital of the Maldives, Taj Exotica Resort and Spa is a 5-star property managed by India's renowned Taj Resorts Group. There are 55 water villas of different classes, while the lowest price class has luxurious facilities. On the contrary, the highest class has a swimming pool among other luxurious facilities. A night's rent at this resort is $986. Unlike other traditional resorts, this resort offers its guests a choice of different types of houses, some of which are located on land and some are over water. There is also a separate pool. Snorkeling and diving facilities are also available for the adventurous ones. A night's stay at this resort costs $992. Architectural excellence and unique design. The overwater villas in the Maldives are architectural masterpieces, designed to blend harmoniously with the natural environment. They often feature private decks and pools. Most villas come with expansive wooden decks that extend over the water, offering panoramic ocean views. Many also include infinity pools that appear to merge with the horizon. Glass floors. Some villas have sections of the floor made of glass, allowing guests to watch the marine life below. This feature adds a unique and immersive experience as the vibrant coral reefs teem with colorful fish, manta rays, and even sharks. Indoor-outdoor living spaces. The design of these villas emphasizes the concept of seamless indoor-outdoor living. Floor-to-ceiling glass doors open up to the sea, allowing for natural light and breathtaking views to be a part of the villa's interior. Thatched roofs and natural materials. While some villas are ultra-modern, many blend local Maldivian elements like thatched roofs, wooden beams, and natural fibers to create a sense of island life luxury. Exclusivity and privacy. Privacy is paramount in these overwater villas. Positioned on long jetties that stretch far out into the ocean, these villas are designed for seclusion, distance from mainland. Villas are often isolated from the main resort areas, allowing guests to enjoy a sense of complete detachment from the outside world. Private beach access. Many villas provide direct access to private beaches or lagoons, where guests can swim, snorkel, or just relax without encountering other people. Personalized services. Each villa often comes with a dedicated butler or villa host who takes care of all needs, from arranging private excursions to personal dining experiences. Over-the-top amenities. The overwater villas in the Maldives are equipped with some of the most extravagant amenities imaginable. Private infinity pools. Almost every luxury villa includes a private infinity pool overlooking the ocean, providing a sense of serenity and endless horizon. Jacuzzis and spa rooms. Many villas come with personal jacuzzis, and some even have private spa rooms where guests can enjoy massages and other treatments. Outdoor showers and bathtubs. For an even closer connection with nature, many villas feature outdoor showers or oversized bathtubs on the deck, allowing guests to bathe under the stars. Home theater systems and entertainment. In addition to the serene environment, villas are outfitted with state-of-the-art technology, including flat-screen TVs, surround sound systems, and even home theaters in some of the most exclusive properties. Fully stocked bars and gourmet kitchens. Some villas offer private bars with a wide selection of premium beverages and even come with personal chefs who prepare meals to order in a fully equipped kitchen. The Maldives is located on some of the most beautiful and ecologically diverse coral reefs in the world. Guests can step from their villa directly into the warm, shallow lagoon, perfect for snorkeling or swimming among the vibrant marine life. The waters around the Maldives are home to an incredible variety of marine creatures, including colorful coral reefs, tropical fish, turtles, and even the elusive whale shark. Many luxury resorts, such as Four Seasons and Anantara, run marine biology programs where guests can learn about and participate in reef conservation, turtle rehabilitation, and coral planting. Food is an essential part of the overwater villa experience. The Maldives offers gourmet dining options that are world-class. Guests can enjoy meals on their private decks, with a personal chef preparing anything from local Maldivian dishes to international cuisine paired with fine wines. Some resorts feature underwater restaurants, such as the famous Itha at Conrad Maldives Rangali Island, where diners can enjoy a meal surrounded by marine life through glass walls. A unique feature at many resorts is the floating breakfast, where a lavish meal is served on a tray that floats in your private pool. Exclusive resorts with overwater villas. Some of the most exclusive resorts in the Maldives offer overwater villas that redefine luxury. Soneva Jani. Known for its stunning overwater villas, Soneva Jani offers some of the largest villas in the Maldives, with retractable roofs for stargazing, private water slides, and huge infinity pools. Conrad Maldives Rangali Island, famous for having one of the world's first underwater villas, the Maraca. This resort also offers overwater villas with panoramic views, glass floors, and access to private coral gardens. Joali Maldives. This ultra-luxurious resort boasts overwater villas that blend high-end design with sustainability. Each villa is a sanctuary with a private infinity pool, outdoor rain showers, and personalized butler service. Six Senses Laamu. Known for eco-friendly luxury, this resort features rustic chic villas with private plunge pools and direct ocean access. The resort's focus on sustainability makes it a favorite among eco-conscious travelers. Cheval Blanc Rantailly. Operated by the LVMH Group, owners of Louis Vuitton, Cheval Blanc Rantailly offers some of the most exclusive and opulent overwater villas in the Maldives, complete with exquisite art collections and an emphasis on personalized service. Activities and experiences. Beyond the luxury of the villas, guests can enjoy a variety of unique experiences. Snorkeling and scuba diving. The Maldives is a paradise for divers, with many overwater villas offering direct access to vibrant coral reefs. Water sports. Kayaking, paddleboarding, jet skiing, and windsurfing are commonly offered, allowing guests to explore the lagoons. Sunset cruises. Guests can take private yacht or donny cruises to watch the Maldivian sunset or to explore nearby islands. Spa treatments. Many resorts offer world-class spa facilities, and some have overwater treatment rooms where guests can indulge in massages while listening to the gentle sounds of the ocean. Sustainability and environmental efforts. Many Maldivian resorts with overwater villas are placing a stronger focus on sustainability. They use eco-friendly materials in their construction and invest in conservation efforts. Solar power and energy efficiency resorts like Soniva Fushi and Soniva Jani are pioneers in solar energy use, reducing their carbon footprint while maintaining high luxury standards. Coral reef restoration. Some resorts, such as Anantara Digu and Six Senses Laamu, have marine biology centers where guests can participate in coral planting to help restore the surrounding reefs. Conclusion. Maldives overwater villas are not just accommodations. They offer an experience of luxury living in one of the most stunning natural environments on the planet. With world-class amenities, breathtaking views, and a focus on privacy and indulgence, staying in one of these villas is often described as a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Whether it's the architectural beauty, the direct access to marine life, or the exclusive services, these villas embody the pinnacle of modern luxury.